What's your name? My name is Sandra. Where do you live? I live in a very small town. What time is it? Can you help me? Where's the train station? How much does this book cost? I don't understand. Could you repeat that, please? Where's the exit? What time does the store open? I'd like a coffee, please. Do you speak Spanish? How do you say apple in French? Where's the bathroom? Can you speak more slowly? What's your profession? How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How old are you? I'm 20. Where's the nearest bus stop? May I have the bill, please? What's the hotel's phone number? Can you show me on the map? I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. Where can I buy a train ticket? What time does the film start? Can I try on this shirt? Where's the tourist office? I'd like to reserve a table for 2. What's your address? I really like this dish. Do you like music? Where's the post office? Can I pay by card? What's the date today? What's your favorite hobby? May I open the window? Can you write this down, please? What's the weather like today? It's a beautiful day. Where's the library? What time does the next train leave? I'm sorry about that. How far is it to Paris? How do you get to school? I've lost my keys.